Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is Greg McLeod from the Elite Traders University and the Forex Cash Machine. And as you can see, we want to do a little bit of an update of what was going on with our trade that we made earlier. You can see that we took, market finally moved down in our favor, and we took many shots down below, and price dropped down to that one spot 3775 area, and rebounded while I was asleep. I'm back to just woke up at 9:45 a.m. and we're back down again, and we're up about 23 pips on 10 standard lots on the pound dollar. This is a tick chart, and the reason why we got short earlier, I'm going to close this out just so we can, and you can see that shows that we were short, right? And we had this topping pattern right here in the one spot 3835 area or so, 3840. And we took lots of trades in the earlier video. We took some trades there, and then price continued to drop at that 3, and then we took some more trades, and we wound up getting pretty good take right there. And so again, we're trading the Forex market, and we're using Forex scalping. And scalping is when we take repeated small profits. And what we can do is, once we take these small profits, we can let part of our position run. So we took a number of trades short at different levels and let one run, and then we let it run, and we were able to garner about 21 additional pips. And we can see what we have done with pound dollar just today, and you can see that we have all winners, not a single loss, for $50,782.32. And then this is on July 1st, 2021. It's a good way to start off the month of July. And I'm going to check in on my students to see how they did. And let's see, John got Jan. He got 50 pips tonight. Congratulations to John. It's Jan. Sorry, Jan. Good job, Jan. Like I said, I have had my coffee and I just woke up. And congrats. Yeah, and then I think you got some long as well. Yeah, good job, Jan. And in fact, where I went to our live traders room, I kind of told them earlier that we have a GU drop could unfold, and it's always important to know your count. Ask yourself, what is the count? The count is the cycles that we look at in order to predict price action, and so that was pretty cool. Okay, so if learning a method to get profits quickly and consistently, and you like these results, and if Forex scalping fits into your schedule, you don't like sitting in front of a computer all day, and maybe you've been trying to do Forex on your own, DIY or do it yourself is really good. If you're building a house or renovating or fixing your car. But when it comes to your money and in the $6.6 trillion market, where there's market makers, professionals. In fact, I was an insider. I worked for a large Wall Street firm, one of the largest Forex retail brokers in the world, and I wanted to be free and to do my own thing and to help the average person make money. And I built an army of people, a trading team, who can do similar results. And if you'd like to be part of that army, you want to be part of that team, and if you have the resources, both in time and finances, to invest in your tuition, to learn the skill, because it's not get rich quick. It is a skill that must be learned, but you can make money very quickly. We have a 3-step process for becoming a professional trader. So click the link below and at EliteTradersUniversity.com. That's EliteTradersUniversity.com. Sign up and talk to a member of my team and see if we're a good fit, see if we can help you out. And if it makes sense to work with each other, then let's go ahead and do it. And if not, we can part as friends. No obligation. There's nothing for sale. There's no high pressure tactics. In fact, we're traders. The people who talk to you are professional traders as well. And we just want to enlarge the team of people who are coachable. And if you fit the bill, go ahead and click the link below. I look forward to seeing you on the other side, and I wish you much success in your trading. Happy pipping. This is Greg McLeod from EliteTradersUniversity.com. Wishing you all the best. Cheers. Bye-bye.